most eagerly awaited show.
Dirty Dancing, the musical.
Now live audiences can enjoy this iconic love story.
The fastest-selling show in West End history.
Dirty Dancing
is the hottest ticket in town.
They hit all the scenes, they hit all your favorite parts of the movie. They nailed it, I thought.
This was fabulous.
The staging is absolutely beautiful.
I loved every minute of it.
Absolutely fantastic.
My heart is still beating, I swear it.
You leave feeling on top of the world.
The time of my life.